Good day to all. Here is excerpts from the interview by Professor Dr. B. Senthil Kumar, Dean and Director of School of Allied Health Sciences, Vinayaga Missions Research Foundation, deemed to be university. Sir, can you please share one thing that you love the most about School of Allied Health Sciences, VMRFDU?
One thing I love the most about SHS, that's a difficult question to answer since I love everything about this college. School of Allied Sciences has shaped my career and I am in turn a complete part of SHS. I have been the founder principal of this college from day one and we had just 15 students in the first year. Now our student strength is close to 2500 per year. A result of all efforts we are as a team put in. I am indebted to Dr. A. Shanmugasundaram, founder, chairman of Vinayaga Mission Research Foundation, whose life has always been my biggest inspiration. Also to Madam Founder Chancellor Mrs. Annaponni Shanmugasundaram for bestowing me with her blessings. I am always thankful to Dr. A. S. Ganesan, Honorable Chairman of VMRFDU, and Dr. Anuradha Ganesan, Director VMRFDU, for their belief and hope in me that would add laurels to their organization and giving me complete freedom to work. My journey at VMRFDU has been remarkable so far and would surely continue to be much more remarkable because of wonderful faculty I have been blessed with and my dearest students for all the laurels they bring to the organization.
You have held key positions at education institutes throughout your professional career. What are the key factors that keep you connected with the education sector?
As an educator, I always have the joy and pride of seeing my students learn and grow. It has been a wonderful and rewarding journey and I feel blessed to have played a small role in the upliftment of our life of many students, especially those from underprivileged backgrounds. I have always been inspired by the quote, "To teach is to learn twice over," by Joseph Joubert, and truly believe that being an educator has helped me to keep learning and growing. I completely understand the needs of the students and work towards giving the best possible in academics and extracurricular, leading to betterment of the students' career and college standards, which keep me growing and going.
Sir, what is your philosophy of leadership? How would you describe your leadership style?
I believe that leading by example is a vital tenet of leadership. Being a leader is more than simply holding a leadership position or having the ability to lead. Some of the key attributes of a good leader are providing direction and guidance, inspiring followers to always do their best, show courage and confidence to stand up for your beliefs, have a passion and commitment for what you are doing. A good leader will share their vision of success with the group and make sure everyone understands the direction that they need to go in. A leader must empower others to have a sense of ownership for their work. This is accomplished by giving clear goals and objectives and then giving them for freedom to complete their objectives without micromanaging them. I am being a flexible leader and in my opinion it is essential to achieve organization goals as it gives both the leader and those being led the opportunity to make use of their capabilities to their full potential.
What was your vision when you first started and came to this School of Allied Health Sciences, and has it evolved over time?
My vision then and now is to provide access to world-class allied health education to deserving students in the society. I believe in constant upgradation of knowledge and look forward to unlearn and learn. I have also played a major role in the improvisation of infrastructure, academic and co-curricular and extracurricular sphere in my institution. As a dean and director of the college, I have strived for academic excellence and placement of our students, and all the awards stands testimonial to my efforts, and this is made possible by the futuristic vision I am working towards.
What do you think should be the university's top priority over the next 5 years?
The key areas of our concern are to achieve equality and inclusivity of education opportunities to all citizens irrespective of caste, class, gender and religion. More industry academia collaboration should be emphasized to improve skill sets and make our students employable. Research is the key to success in the forthcoming years. Introducing new courses that impart knowledge, skills and competencies that are demanded in the labor market. Building of corporate partnership model to bring about outcome-oriented learning through vocational training.
According to you, what are some of the biggest challenges School of Allied Health Sciences is facing and how are you overcoming them?
Challenges faced not just by School of Allied Sciences but the whole educational fraternity is the difficulty to teach students due to this COVID-19 pandemic. Education is moving towards digital mode. We made online teaching possible as soon as the lockdown began in 2020 March by training our teachers vigorously on online teaching methods and assessment. Faculty development program on effective online teaching and learning were organized with highly capable resource person and lot of hands-on training was given to teachers during session, which has transformed our teaching faculty to be highly skilled in imparting online education. Some of the techniques followed by us include online sharing of notes, online assessment and quizzes through video lectures via customized learning management system, online discussion via Hangout and other platforms, case presentation discussion via WhatsApp, online projects and surveys via Google Form, encouraging completion of online certificate courses, encouraging students to prepare e-content, meaningful meme creations on subject topics, designing working models on various possible topics, certified short-term courses. And one more challenge is in the area of research work. As a part of encouraging research activities, the institution provides research achievement scheme, financial support to students project, financial support to faculty and students to attend workshops, seminars and conferences, organizing technological festivals like Hackathon, Science Day, Innovation Ideas Presentation, etc. Financial assistance for technical paper presentation, incentives for technical journal publication, patent filing and book publication.
Can you please comment on the profile of the teaching faculties at School of Allied Health Sciences?
Our faculties are my biggest strength. They are highly qualified and experienced in their respective streams. The specialty of our faculty is that they focus on engagement of students, student-centered learning, updated and be able to apply newer techniques to teaching. Their empathetic and friendly personality makes them the mentor and facilitator and not just teachers for students. The credit for all events being organized, good placement percentage of students is completely owed to my teaching faculty. Our faculty are very clear that effective discipline enhances the self-esteem and confidence level of any student. It helps in adhering and maintaining the moral value of the society. Instill discipline among our students. Our faculties practice it and do not just preach it. Our faculty provide the necessary motivation and rewards, the two most important aspects to achieve our expected outcomes in our students.
Apart from education, what are the other opportunities available for the students at School of Allied Health Sciences?
Value-added courses, skill development program, institution innovation council, institution social responsibility, sports and cultural clubs has been instituted to bring out holistic development of students in curricular, co-curricular and extracurricular forum. Students are taken to industrial visit to help them understand the industry needs and prepare them for employability. Our institution has received the Fit India certification also from Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. The placement cell is active and organizes campus placements, career essential webinars by eminent HRs to help in employability of students.
What are some of the activities you are currently working on for the development of the institution?
We are working towards improvisation and strengthening the academia industry collaborations. We have already started with industry design course by Siemens for the radiography department, by Bosch and Lamb and Lawrence Mayo for the optometry department, and many more are in the pipeline.
What more would you like people to know about School of Allied Health Sciences that they yet might not know?
School of Allied Sciences has received the Best Allied Sciences College 2021 in Tamil Nadu and Best Paramedical College Award for the 2021. School of Allied Sciences, which is the first education institution to receive ISO 21001-2018 certification by QC approved TUV SUD, is committed to offering education in the most professional manner and one that ensures enormous growth potential to the students. The specialty of School of Allied Sciences is that it provides hands-on training right from the first year in the completely upgraded preclinical labs of each department. It is also the only allied science college that has been organizing department-specific international and national conferences and also Health Day celebrations even during this COVID-19 pandemic to help students gain skill and knowledge. Online free courses through Coursera, edX and SWAYAM also being offered to the students to help them keep in pace with international standards.
Any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students, sir?
Dear students, there are a lot of opportunities lying out in the world for you. Keep yourselves open to new ideas and be motivated always. Allied Sciences, based on the recent statistics, has a huge demand for AHS. As per WHO Global Strategy on Human Resources for Health, has stated that Workforce 2030 estimates a global shortfall of almost 18 million healthcare workers by 2030. This statistics makes it clear that with such vast opportunities in specialty, AHS is the right choice for a bright future. Always remember the quote by Nelson Mandela: education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world.